Why does your scanner show the P0957 engine code? What does it mean? P0957 is a diagnostic trouble code for auto shift manual mode circuit low. The P0957 engine code for indicate the vehicle's computer, Powertrain Control Module or Transmission Control Module has detected an abnormally low voltage. Under this circumstance, short distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: liquid spills, damaged or chafed wiring, corroded or loose connectors, failed manual mode switch, blown fuses or power faults. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Toyota, Chevrolet, and Lexus. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.